Hi. So I just took a bath. As you can see, I woke up really early. Like I woke up at 10 o'clock, which is early for me. Sorry if that sounds weird, but it's early for me. And I woke up because I just had to attend my online classes. So that's the reason I couldn't join my vlog right then. So sorry for that, but couldn't help it. And now that my online class is over, I just took a nice shower and what to say, like I'm fasting and I'm too hungry, having hunger pangs. I'm thirsty, not allowed to say all this, but still. Anyway, so I hope you are enjoying this vlog. I'll just read my namaz and then again join you maybe for iftar because no lunch. So just after namaz and just after reading my Quran, I'll be going to bed. Like I'll again sleep because I have nothing to do, and then I'll wake up for iftar. So I think I'll join you for iftar and not before that. I'm sorry, but I'll be sleeping. I'm tired and I'm hungry as well. I am not even feeling well from the morning. Like I don't know why, but not feeling well. So anyway, let me join you guys with my skincare routine. I'll be doing my skincare routine right now as I have nothing on my face. Nothing. So yeah, stay tuned. So honestly speaking, nothing fancy. I just use this Eva Vitamin C Skin Glow Power Serum. I really love this serum, guys. If you want me to do a review video on this serum, then do comment down below. I would love to do. It's very good for acne, for getting a glowy skin. Like it's a yum serum. Okay, it's non-sponsored, but I love this serum. So anyway, I'll be applying this serum, and yeah. So I've just finished applying my sunscreen. Now lip balm is a must in my skincare routine, but I obviously cannot apply a lip balm as I'm fasting and we're not allowed to use anything on this area, like no lip balm, nothing, because I think I will be eating it up if by mistake, I won't eat up, like if by mistake it goes inside. So not applied, not permissible to apply anything. So of course I can't apply. Now yeah, I'll go for namaz and for reading my Quran. So here I am. I just woke up from sleep. Please ignore the mess my hair is in right now. I just decided to tune in. I really look pathetic. I'm having like slight fever also. I'm really not feeling good today. But still, since I decided to vlog this day, why not? Even if I'm not feeling well, I'm here. So yeah, keep watching. Now I'll take you to my iftar preps and yeah, chalo, chalte hain.
मुस्तफा जाने रहमत मिला मुस्तफा जाने रहमत पे लाखों सलाम शम्माए बज़ में हिदायत पे लाखों सलाम हम गरीबों के आका पे बेहद दरूद हम गरीबों के आका पे बेहद दरूद हम फकीरों की सरबत पे लाखों सलाम शम्माए बज़ में हिदायत पे लाखों सलाम लाखों सलाम लाखों सलाम
Almost I'm going to be done with this vlog. So just thought of tuning in for one last time, and my brother is also here with me. They have arrived for Eid to celebrate Eid with us because we are gonna celebrate Eid at home. So obviously he'll be there to irritate me. Say hi, Suhan.
Hi, Suhan.
Arey hi, Suhan. Say hi.
Say hi.
तू भी hi बोल. Hi बोल hi.
Hi.
ভালো করে.
Hi.
And say Eid Mubarak. बोल Eid Mubarak. বলো একটু বলো. Please, please. He is not saying. So on behalf of my entire family, I'm wishing you Eid Mubarak. And yeah, so here, okay, just ignore my hair being in a very funny position. So here I am to this end of this video. Bye bye. I hope you guys loved watching the vlog. Now just tried my best to make this vlog happen, though it was like quite difficult for me to shoot today as I wasn't feeling my best today, and I think I shouldn't have even vlogged today because I wasn't feeling good. But anyway, it's whatever is good. Like if it ends good, then it's good. So I hope you all loved watching. If yes, don't forget to give a like, subscribe to my channel, as well as press on the bell icon. I love you all so much. Eid Mubarak to all of you in advance.